G'day guys, welcome to today's video. I'm going to draw Mario the cat. If you've seen the movie, such a cool part. Let's start Mario with his nose. Sort of just above the middle of the page. Then he's going to have his eye coming off there. And next to his nose, he has his other eye here, like this. Because he's sort of looking out this way. Let's finish off his eye, one line, then his pupil with a little white dot there. Colour that in. Hope you guys can follow along and have some fun. Hope you have as much fun drawing as the movie. Well, that was a pretty good movie. Okay, let's put the eye there. Now this part of the movie, was one of my favourite parts. I just laughed. I thought it was hilarious. Eyebrow, another eyebrow, mustache, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 bumps. There's his mustache, and then his head shape will come up and around like this, up and around like that. Around here, got a bit of hair, not much, and then he's got his cheek. Reminds me a little bit of Father Christmas at the moment. Bring this down, bring his cheek out, down like so. Then he's got his mouth, little line there, like this. Then he's got his teeth line, and let's do a little tongue. Now let's turn him into a cat. So starting with his hand, it's quite a big hand, so we're going to start with an oval shape for his thumb. 1, 2. So there's 3 fingers and a thumb, and then this is the little cat paw there. Comes down and around like so, with this little cool part like that. Now his body comes down and out and then around, and then we've got this paw. Comes around, 1, 2, 3, and then this comes across like that. Okay, now let's put the, it's almost like it reminds me of like a cat hoodie. Let's put an ear on there with the inner part of the ear. Let's draw the line coming around for the hoodie part. Down and around like this, and it tucks in and around there. When we colour that, it'll look better. We're just going to put another line coming out and around there, and then we're going to put the other ear on. There we go. Now it's not Tanuki Mario, it's cat. And then we've got his belly, and then we've got his leg coming down and around like this. Now he's got 1 little paw, 2 little paws like that. And then this comes up and around like so. And then he's got his knee line like that. Don't forget the tail. Let's put his tail on. Like that, with a little light patch on the end. And let's put his hand on now. We've got a thumb line with some fingers. 1 finger, 2, 3. Let's just bring that around. Little paw, pink paw. A little bit of his hand. A little bit there. And then his arm comes in there. And he's got this little bit down here. Don't forget the bottom of his foot has a little paw like that, little pink part. Let's add a thicker outline to Cat Mario.